Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. If you are still in doubt that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is a rubber stamp of the executive, that doubt has been cleared by the Senate Leader, Senator Michael Opeyemi. That's what we're going to talk about right now. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, we have said it severally that the Senate, the National Assembly in general, the 10th National Assembly, is a rubber stamp of the executive. And people in the National Assembly used to protest, lawmakers, and say, no, we are not a rubber stamp. But Senator Michael Opeyemi, Senate Leader, confirmed it when he spoke at the birthday of the Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, when he said that the only reason why President Bola Ahmed Tinubu could sleep at night without worry is because he has Senator Godswill Akpabio as the Senate President. As a result of that, we can now say that the President is so comfortable with him because he knows that the Senate that is headed by Akpabio is not going to do any critical oversight on any policies and programs of the government. That, to me, is an indication, an open declaration that the Senate, by extension, the House of Representatives, has always been a rubber stamp of the executive. Whatsoever the executive wants, Akpabio, who is the head, who is the chairman of the National Assembly, is going to make it happen. So the president can sleep well at night because he knows that nothing will happen that will change any course that he chose from his office at the presidential villa. And that is not surprising because there are so many things that had happened that indicate that, yes, if not that Akpabio is the Senate President, if it had been another person that is the Senate President, who will be much more interested in ensuring that due process are followed, the President could not have been sleeping very well in the night as he does now. Why did I say so? Recently, you had Senator Baribe raise questions about some things that was done by the executive, including the purchase of the presidential jets. Now, those presidential jets did not pass the normal scrutiny in the National Assembly. It was not in the budget. Up till now, even the National Assembly had not asked questions about the details of the purchase of the presidential jet. That's part of the things that gave indication that, yes, the president can do anything he likes without being challenged by oversight that was expected by the Senate or the House of Representatives. In other words, the president, as confirmed by Opeyemi, is in total control of the National Assembly. Of course, you may ask, If it was so, why is it that he's having problem in passing his tax reform bills? Why is he having problem in passing his tax reform bills? That is a different kettle of fish. That's different. This is because the issue of the tax reform bill was an issue that hit northern Nigeria at a level that they cannot allow the Senate or National Assembly just to allow it go like that. But every other thing that the president wanted, he can easily have it. He can have any number of jets he wants. Nobody will ask him question. He can do so many other things. But because this tax reform bill has to do with the revenue coming to northern Nigeria, and northern Nigeria control the majority in both House of Representatives and the Senate, and the northern leaders, especially those who are not in government, but they had the capacity to record those who are in government. They had to do a really serious sit down to look at that tax bill. But every other thing, you can tell that based on the National Assembly lawmakers, if not for the pushback from the northern elders, the pushback from Arewa Consultative Forum, the pushback from the northern governors, I can tell you for free, the National Assembly as a rubber stamp would have approved that tax reform bills. No doubt about it. So don't use that to say, okay, if they are rubber stamp, why did they have to, because of the public pressure, have to take down, suspend? The Senate has suspended deliberation on it. The House of Reps was the first to do so. Why is it that that was an indication that they are not rubber stamp? No, that's not an indication. The only reason, there are political consequences for the northern lawmakers. Left for the southern lawmakers, that bill would have been passed. Okay? That bill would have been passed. But it was the northern lawmakers, after they were threatened by their governors, by the northern elders, the northern youths, and everything, so that they had to act because of the fear of what will happen to them if they don't listen to their people. If not for that, even the northern senators and lawmakers are ready to play along to give Tinubu whatever he wants. So Opeyemi was not exaggerating when he said that Tinubu can sleep well at night because Senator Akpabio is the Senate President. Of course, you and I know how Senator Akpabio emerged the Senate President. He was literally handpicked by the President to be the leader of the National Assembly. You can say, okay, that is not new. Throughout our nascent democracy since 1999, presidents have always tried to put somebody who will not superintend over their own impeachment. They will put somebody who they will work together with amicably. But that has not stopped the National Assembly from playing their roles. They always try to play their roles, trying to make sure that the executive are held accountable. But in this particular National Assembly, they borrowed a leaf from the 9th National Assembly, which was a rubber stamp to President Buhari then. That was why anything that Buhari wanted, Buhari got it. Anything, virtually anything. It has now extended to this 10th National Assembly. And those who are still doubting whether they are rubber stamp, they can now be convinced Opeyemi says so, that the president can sleep because the National Assembly is under the control of Akpabio. And he told Akpabio, the president trusts you. What else can we say? It's only to let us know that this National Assembly, as constituted, cannot be able to do the needful in calling out the executive when they go wrong. That is the Nigeria we have today. That is the National Assembly we have today. I don't know what you have to say about Opeyemi's expose that the president sleeps well at night because he has Akpabio as the chairman of the National Assembly, being the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.